Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. My name is Rifa Aghnia. I am from Class B, second year nursing undergraduate program. And today I will discuss about tips and tricks for the written expressions questions skill 1, 2, and 3 on the TOEFL. Okay, before we start, let's begin with saying basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, in these presentations, I will explain skill 1, 2, and 3 on the TOEFL, approximately 20 minutes. Let's move slide. Okay, skill 1, subject or verb agreement. Professional parse is a parse in which there is a preposition. For example, in, of, on, at, over, into, for, to, and anymore. Professional parse have two rules. It can be used an adjective that modifies a noun or as an adverb that modifies a verb. Okay, let's move on the next slide. The example of this parse is number 1. The chairs under the table in the dining room is quite comfortable. In this sentence, the word under is preposition, while the word the table is a noun. So under the table spontaneously becomes a professional parse. The professional parse explains the state of the noun in front of it, namely the chairs, meaning that the functions of this professional parse is to become an adverb. And number 2, the meeting of the members of the council begins at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The sentence has 3 parts. The first is a professional parse that functions as an adverb, namely at 3 o'clock. At is a preposition, while the word 3 o'clock in the afternoon is a preposition that functions as a noun. So at 3 o'clock in the afternoon is a prepositional parse that functions as an adverb because it explains the word begin. While the words of and in are prepositions, while the object is the members, the council, and the afternoon, then the role of the meeting of the members of the council and 3 o'clock in the afternoon are nouns. Okay, let's go to the next slide. This skill 2. Skill 2, subject or verb agreement after expressions of quantity. Subject or verb agreements. These discussions includes expressions of quantity that discuss the number of objects, exactly singular or plural objects. Usually these discussions studies about countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns like a or an, number, each, every, some, several, a couple of, and any more. And uncountable nouns like much, a little, a lot of, and any more. And if you want to use the prefix on or a single object, cannot be accompanied by the letter S. For the example is a lion, while more than one object must be accompanied by the letter S. For the example is nose, legs, while other expressions must be seen from the plural or singular of an object. Let's go. Let's go straight to the example. I'm sorry. Okay, next slide. Exercise 2. Number 1. All of the next chapter contains very paying attention. The sentence is correct. The singular verb contains is correct because the subject all refers to the singular noun. Next chapter. Meaning the noun should be matching with verb in quantity. Quantity of verb is depending on the noun. And number 2, all of the details in the report needs to be checked. The sentence is incorrect. The plural word details is not matched with singular verb needs. It should be all of the details in the report need to be checked without S. Okay, the next slide. Skill 3. Subject or verb agreement of the certain words. Indefinite pronoun person or thing is used for being replacement lead to an indeterminate thing. There are some words used for showing an indeterminate thing like every, any, no, and some that will merge with thing, body, and one, like anybody, anyone, anything, everybody, everyone, everything, nobody, no one, nothing, and somebody, someone, something. Word every, like everything, everyone, everybody, can be followed by singular noun. And word some, like somebody, someone, something, can be followed by singular noun. And word nobody and nothing only able be followed by singular and singular noun, while no one can be used both singular and plural noun. And last word any, like anybody, anyone, and anything, is used for asking something questionable. The example is anybody here, like this. Also, any is used for negative sentence. The example is anyone cannot help me now. Like this. Okay, next slide for exercise 3. Number 1, someone help to clean up the house. The word one is singular word, so the word have that is plural is not matched with it. So we replace the word have with the singular from has. And number 2, everything in the salad are good for you. Word salad is singular word, not matched with are. So is the best replacement for it. Um, Alhamdulillah, maybe enough for me. Maybe that's all I can say. Um, I'm sorry if there are many shortcomings, and hopefully it will be useful. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.